Traditional CSS forces you to name everything. Card wrapper, button primary, hero section large. But what if you could skip naming and just apply styles directly? Utility-first CSS is built on small, single-purpose classes. Each class does exactly one thing. 4 adds padding. Text center aligns text. BG Blue 500 sets a blue background. Instead of writing custom CSS, you use these pre-built utilities. Each utility is a tiny building block with a single responsibility. This contrasts sharply with traditional semantic CSS. In the old approach, you create a custom class like button primary, then write multiple CSS properties inside it. Color, padding, border radius, all bundled together. With utilities, you skip the custom class entirely and compose those properties directly as individual classes. The key difference is where the styling lies. In utility first, you compose utilities directly in your HTML markup. No switching between files. No hunting for the right selector. You see the class name, you know exactly what it does. The markup becomes the source of truth for styling. Tailwind CSS is the most popular utility-first framework, though Tachyon's pioneered the approach. The benefits are speed and consistency. Rapid prototyping without writing custom CSS. Design tokens baked into the utility names. The trade-off? Your HTML can look cluttered with many class names. Some developers find it less readable. Others love the directness. Utility-first CSS uses single-purpose classes composed directly in HTML, letting you build interfaces faster with consistent design tokens. Master this approach and you will ship styling changes in seconds, not hours. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.